Hey everyone! Today, we are diving into some savvy beauty hacks to grow, lift, and boost your lashes for less. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the cost of salon lash treatments. A single lash lift can cost over £50, which is a real eye-opener. But here's the good news, you can now get your lash game on at home with some amazing kits. One of my personal favorites is the Luxe Cosmetics Lash Lift set, which is usually £69.95 but is currently on sale for £29.95. This kit covers multiple treatments, and each lift should last you around 8 weeks, so you're looking at a few months of lash appointments covered for a fraction of the cost. Now, let's talk about what's going on inside your body. Healthy lashes start from within, so it's time to boost your diet with omega-3 fatty acids. These bad boys support hair growth, so you can snack on some nuts or add some sardines or mackerel to your meals. A tin of sardines at Asda costs just 55p, and it's a small price to pay for longer, healthier lashes. Next up, let's keep those lashes moisturized. Keeping your eyelashes hydrated can help them grow, so try using Nourishing Castor Oil. A 250 ml bottle of organic castor oil is usually £9.95, but it's now on sale for £6.49 at fuchsiawellbeing.com. After cleansing in the evening, dab a clean cotton bud into the oil and brush along your lash line for a simple, effective treatment. Speaking of effective treatments, let's talk about multifunctional products. The Augustinus Bader Eyebrow and Lash Enhancing Serum is popular but comes with a hefty price tag of £106.25. However, a great budget option is the ordinary multi-peptide lash and brow serum, which costs just £14.20 from lookfantastic.com. It's a 2-in-1 product that can help you save on buying separate beauty products. Now, for a quick and easy trick, let's talk about Vaseline. If you want to give the appearance of long, full lashes without breaking the bank, just grab a tin of Vaseline. Warm a tiny amount between your fingers and gently press it onto your lashes. It's a simple, affordable way to get glossy, wide-awake eyes. In summary, growing, lifting, and boosting your lashes doesn't have to break the bank. With these savvy beauty hacks, you can achieve salon-worthy results at home. So, what are you waiting for? Get your lash game on and start saving those dollars. What's your favorite lash hack? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.